welcome CNG 256 to Tuesday of week 9. It's not our it's not our first day, but it's our second, but then we'll make good work of it. This week we talk about getting the data in a usable format. What does that mean? If the data is in command prompt, is it usable? Sort of. What if we put that data into a text document? Or what if we put that data in better, a XLS spreadsheet, and then we could use that XLS spreadsheet to create a PowerPoint. How usable is that data that we're retrieving out there? More usable. And part of that, the whole process is, turning in a search into a format that we can easily extrapolate humanly, and I guess that would be the keyword in there too. A good way that humans can extrapolate that data quickly and easily. The book gives us about 18 pages of how to pull out data into a database, or a database is. That's what I'm bouncing back to. Once again, feel free to use the book as a resource between classes. Between classes, feel free to set up that network environment. But I guess more or less the 18 pages are really just a guide of how to walk through and write scripts for that. In week 10 lab, I have the script. There it is. I have the script already there, so you can go ahead and copy paste it, I think, into the Kali Linux, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this doesn't work, or hopefully it doesn't break. Hopefully it works for you. Hopefully my mic came out clear this time. Kind of sad I had retired the other mic, but I guess 7 years was definitely long enough. Yeah, we're basically cracking that that file that we pulled out last week. Next week, I don't think we have any homework. It's just reading. Yeah, I don't see any assignments. And then week 11, no assignments. But week 12, we start our finals. So for the next 2 weeks after this week, please start setting up your final environment, which will be Kali Linux and the Metasploitable Linux. You'll just have those two boxes pointed at each other, because Kali Linux will be the attacker, and then Metasploitable will be the vulnerable target. You have a good idea of how we did some processes, although they'll be a little bit different moving forward. The tests are not necessarily going to be like do this or answer this question, and questions about how you did it, or I should say how to do it, or what the answer is. It's more going to be like the tests are going to be like guides to walk you through completion of the test. So if you get caught up, make sure you jump back to those previous labs in course by week to kind of give you some background on what we did, what we learned. Once again, think of all of what we've done so far as a not as individual labs, but as a whole process. If you sat down at a machine and you're trying to get into it, you'd start off with the first lab, and then you'd end up at the lab 10, trying to get into it, kind of like a book to start off with. With that, I'll let you guys go. Grading will probably happen. I'm at the bunker this week, got called in early. So grading will definitely happen on the weekend. And if you have any questions, reach out through Google. If you have any questions, reach out through Google Hangouts. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.